Meet Project Aura. Finally, a DIY air monitor that doesn't look like a science project. It's designed for your 3D printer with industrial sensors and a killer IPS display. And the best part? You get pro-level accuracy without the burnt fingers. High performance, zero soldering. For the display, I used a powerful 2-in-1 board from Waveshare. It combines the ESP32S3 and a stunning 4.3-inch IPS touchscreen. At the heart is the Swiss Sensirion SEN66 for all key air metrics, plus a dedicated Sensirion SFA30 from Seed Studio for formaldehyde. To connect it all, I used an Adafruit I2C hub. I also chose genuine Adafruit modules, adapter for the SEN66, the BMP580 barometer, and the real-time clock module. And since this project requires zero soldering, you'll simply use a seed screw terminal to install the power capacitor. The interface is fluid. It speaks 8 languages out of the box. You get 12 preset themes to match your style. Plus, there's auto night mode, screen timeout, dashboard customization, and much more. Worried about assembly? Don't be. It's like a construction kit. No soldering iron needed. Just plug in the ribbon cables and snap it together. You'll spend one evening building it and get years of protection for your family. Software is just as easy. Forget complex coding environments. Use the web installer to flash the firmware directly from your browser in one click. For smart home users, it's magic. Aura supports MQTT auto discovery. Turn it on, and it instantly appears in Home Assistant with over 20 entities. Totally local, no cloud. Your data stays yours. Project Aura is fully open source. Back the project on MakerWorld to get the enclosure 3D printing files and the detailed guide. Your support is exactly what allows me to bring complex projects like this to life. Thank you for making it possible. Build it, trust it, own your air.